My name is Kristen, and this is our final voice project. On the Death Anxiety Questionnaire, I scored an 11, but the average is 8.5. Although my score is higher than the average, this class has helped me realize that there's more to death and dying than just the actual transition. It doesn't make me fear death any more than before, but there are other factors to consider now that I've taken this class. This is a quote I found: "Death may be the greatest of all human beings," by Socrates. In the picture to the right, it lists many different things that are associated with death and dying. Some of these I already knew, such as hospital, the elderly, crying, sadness, but others, like black, ghosts, depression, I never realized how bad it was and how bad it can be for the bereaved until I took this class. As working for a hospice company and being the bereavement coordinator, you only see so much of the actual grieving process. I believe that nothing happens after death. Once you die, you transition, and your family goes on to grieve and take care of final wishes or finances that may have been. But nothing, I don't believe that anything happens to your body afterward. All of the religions have many differences when it comes to death and dying. There are some that believe your soul goes into the afterlife. Others believe that it's the other religions believe that having a celebration of life is more useful than having a celebration of death, such as the funeral. This picture shows what it could be like when somebody passes away that's close to you. Sometimes it's better to look for those who have specialized training, such as a grief counselor or going to support groups, because they have more knowledge than the actual general public. They've been specifically trained, whereas the general public only has their own knowledge. And a certified therapist can also give you other resources that you may not have known about. This quote, it doesn't say who it was by, but this is something that we should always keep in mind. Grief is sadness, but would our loved ones want us to know that we were this sad over the loss of them, and they would want us to remember the good times with them? And that was my presentation, and my name is Kristen.